Happy New Year, welcome back to a brand new video. So today's video is a new collection from Madam Glam. It's called their Winter Layover collection. There's some really gorgeous, deep, vibrant colours in this collection, and it's really nice to see some, I don't know, it's just a nice change. So I've swatched them all. I'm going to show you them already. This first one is Winter Teal. Now I have already been playing around with these. I couldn't wait. So yeah, oh, they're lovely. Oh Happy Day is a gorgeous, it's almost like a deep muted green. I'm really rubbish at describing colours, as if you've been here a while you'll know. Then we've got Spiced Cider, which is kind of like it's like a browny terracotta-ish sort of. Honey Mustard, which, I mean, it's clearly a gorgeous mustard yellow. And then we have got Very Berry. I really like this one. We're going to use this one today. It's one of the colours we're going to use today. Yes. I like the labels as well. The labels look a little bit shiny. No, not shiny. I don't know. Like they've got a little shimmer to them. But the gel polishes haven't. This one's called Wine O'Clock. The gel polishes are solid cream colours. Beautiful. Beautiful coverage with these. This one's called Old Habits. I'm also using this one. Again, this one's like a deep muted purple, or like slightly muted. Not, it's just, yeah, it's really nice. And then we've got Blue Monday, which is a gorgeous, it's not a navy blue, but it's a nice blue. My dog wants to come in the bedroom, and they're banned from the bedroom at the minute because they've been naughty. Then we've got Reset, which is it's like a mid grey. I like greys, I'm not going to lie. And then the last one is called Eggnog Latte, which is a gorgeous, I don't know, it's like a nice nude. I love colours like this because they go with absolutely everything, pretty much everything. So I'm going to show them all together. Okay, so I really like them. Yes. Okay, so we're going to do a design now. I was literally just playing around. Oh, look at my blister. I burnt myself on the kitchen oven, like the other one was going to be in the bathroom or something. So I'm using Eggnog Latte, Winter Teal, Very Berry, and Old Habits. By the way, I am trying to sort out a face cam. I have got one. It's just that I done these when everyone was at home, so I thought there was no point doing a face cam because everyone's going to be in it. So yeah, that's going to follow soon, hopefully. Right, this is Eggnog Latte. Look at the coverage. All right, there's a little bit up the top there, but the coverage on all of these are amazing. Now this design is kind of just it was kind of me just experimenting. So see how little product I've got on the brush now on this one. We literally kind of want to make brush strokes, so I'm just wiggling the brush a little bit. I actually do go over this one again. And yeah, I don't even know what the idea behind this was. So I've cured that, and then I'm going in with the pink. Now I preferred the pink like that, but I went over it again, and I like it when you've got, and look, it just covered up too much. I don't know. I mean, it looks all right like that, but I like that when you get the gaps in between. Look, she's going to do it again. And it just ended up covering up. Yeah, anyway, it doesn't matter. Every nail that you do this way will look slightly different. On this nail, I wanted to put some fairy flakes because I wanted to show you that you can. So I'm going to do a few different, I think I'll show you 3. This one, I'm putting, these fairy flakes are from Nail Sugar. They're absolutely gorgeous. I feel like they're one of those things that you need in your nail art selection, you know. They look really nice over black. You can see all these different colours. It's hard to see on these colours, but it goes on the tacky layer, and then we're going to top coat. And when you top coat, that's kind of when it comes to life. When it's over black, you can see all these different kind of colours in it, but they're really, really beautiful. They're absolutely lovely. I love them so much. Oh, it's just lovely. Right, now this is the finished nail, but it's not quite the finished nail, but it's the top coated nail, as in it's finished top coated. But over the top of that, I'm going to do another brush stroke. So again, I'm removing a lot of that product, and then I'm going to use the brush and we're going to swoop down. Now, I actually really like it like that. I don't know why I went back over it again. Oh, I feel like I've slightly ruined it a little bit. But instead of curing it, we're going to top coat. No, we're not going to top coat it. We're going to sprinkle it with acrylic powder. And it's going to give us this matte embossed look over the top of the flat, shiny design. I think I'm making sense. But I kind of liked the contrast between the textured matte brushstroke look and the flat, shiny brushstroke look. Do you know what I mean? Right, that's going to go in the lamp. I'm going to double cure that. And then when it comes out, you just brush off the excess acrylic. And then you've got this like shiny design underneath. And then you've got this like matte sort of, I don't know, I just quite liked it. I think it's going to be like Marmite. I think some of you are going to hate it and some of you are going to really like it. But I don't know. And then, right, I'm going to do another one. I can't remember what I do on this one. But we're starting with Old Habits. I think this one's Old Habits at the bottom. Look at the coverage. Again, wow. I love this colour. It's gorgeous. Right, into the lamp. Then we're going to go over with the pink. The pink doesn't show up as well because obviously we've got a darker base, but you get the gist. Then I'm going to go over with the Eggnog Latte. Again, do you see what I mean? Here, it looks like, look, that's all right. Looks like a lock of hair, doesn't it? And then this one, I'm going to leave this one plain. We're not going to put anything on this one. We're just going to go over with the no wipe top coat. You can get 30% by the way off Madam Glam using my code NatMug30. I'll leave the link to the website and the discount code in the description box below. So then over that cured top coat, we're going in with our winter teal. And I actually much prefer how the brush strokes look on this one. I think this is probably one of my favourite ones. So again, let the gel polish suck up that acrylic, pop it in the lamp for a double cure, and then brush off any excess. And you've just got this, do you see what I mean? I just really like that. Not going to be for everyone. Okay, the next one I'm going to do is using winter teal on the bottom. Guys, let me know what you've done for New Year. Also, let me know what you got for Christmas. Did I ask anyone what you got for Christmas? I don't know that I did. I got some money. And I got a few other bits that were a little bit boring, like toothbrush heads. But I did buy myself, I've bought myself a couple of bits, which I'm really excited about. Actually, one of them I'm going to show you on this channel at some point. Actually, two of them I'll show you on this channel at some point. So this time I've gone in with the Old Habits first, and then I've gone in with Eggnog Latte. And then I'm going to use, I haven't used this yet. They sent this. This was new a little while ago, and I totally forgot. It was like a mid-month launch. It's a top coat with, with gold flakes in it, and it's really, really pretty. And actually, this was the first time I used it. I'm terrible, but it just adds, look, I mean, I think that nail looks really nice just like that. That's going to go in the lamp, but I am going to add some pink over the top. Now, I wasn't happy with the pink at the top. Oh, I wish I'd wiped it off and done it again, but there we go. I've done it. It's too late now. She's going to cure it and that's it. Oh, my burn hurts today. Oh. There we go. Look, I just don't like how all that, there's just like a big lump of pink at the top. I like the little brush strokes at the bottom. I don't know, it's just a personal thing, I suppose. I don't know. So look, I also done one with glitter underneath, and then I used all three colours, but I'm going to show you them all together. So like, I've done one with glitter, one with fairy flakes, one with the gold top coat, but I think this one is probably my favourite one, just the plain one. But yeah, let me know what you think. I don't know, I'm still a little bit but I really like that plain one. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. It's completely free, and hopefully after today things will get back to normal. My kids go back to school tomorrow, Wednesday, so yeah, normality shall resume. So I will see you beautiful lot probably on Wednesday now. Yeah, I think Wednesday. So yeah, have a good bank holiday, and I'll see you soon. Bye.